Alright, so what's up YouTube? This is my first video unboxing. Just got this from In Clothing. Just came. Ordered these like 2 or 3 days ago. Got it pretty fast. It's a site from the UK. These are the Jordan 12s, Royal Blue, deep Royal Blue, size 12. Box came nice. The UK, In Clothing is a UK website. I actually found these Jordans scrolling on Twitter one day, 3 in the morning. Then I somehow clicked the link and I got them. Nice suede leather, good spacing. For getting paid. Marks on them. But yes, these are real, authentic. Everybody say they getting early pairs. There's no such thing. There's such thing early pairs, but it's not that many. You feel me? People say they be getting early, but they don't. They shoes be fake. If they don't look like this, they're fake, bro. These are real. Sweet. The Jumpman. And you got this 23 stitches on the back. Good lacing. Feels good. This is actually my first pair of 12s. Alright. So I can where did DJ Khaled? Alright, thanks YouTube for watching my videos. We'll be all over the content later.